We don't specifically look for any individual or specific fundamental business approach or investment approach. We want a firm to know what they are good at doing. Are they good at narrowing the universe? Are they good at avoiding the bad stocks as opposed to picking the best stocks? Are they good at trading around a core position? But find out and understand what their own vision of their expertise is, and making sure that their process and the discipline of that process is always focused on that particular expertise. We believe there are lots of different ways to invest and be successful. So value investors are successful, growth investors can be successful, quantitative investors can be successful. It all comes down to what is the methodology you're using? Are you applying it consistently? And are you applying it in a way and institutionalizing it in a way that should something happen to the inventor or the founder of the firm, that the continuity of that style will continue? And that's really important to us when we look for any manager. The other thing that is frustrating for some of the managers, a lot of managers we talk to that we don't hire, we talk to a lot of managers that have very good numbers. And they will be a little bit frustrated, the marketing guys especially, will be a little frustrated that they don't get a second call back or they don't get a third call back. And generally that reason is because you can have great numbers, or a manager can have great numbers, but if we take that number set and plug it into what we already have, and it doesn't create a significant improvement in our risk-reward balance within the total portfolio, it's not going to lead us to make a change in managers. There's a lot of effort in doing due diligence on a new manager, getting confidence in all the issues that we've talked about already. So if we've developed that confidence with a manager and they're delivering within the framework that we want for our risk returns balance, removing one to add another where that is now less of a certainty is a risk for us. And that's where the stickiness of finding good managers is important. And new entrants to the business need to understand that that stickiness is there, but that requires that you be patient and deliver your return steadily so that investors can become comfortable with what you're doing. And eventually, if you are successful, you will earn that stickiness. That's making it tough to raise money for you early on.